Hey, how's it going, y'all? I have a 2022 Tacoma SR5. I'm going to show y'all how you replace the Keyfob battery. I'm going to get you something like a pick or a flathead. There's a little tab where the key ring normally goes. You're going to stick this in there and pry against it. As you can see, it opened right up. No fight. Watch how you open it, because sometimes the covers for the buttons would pop out. This piece here comes out, and the battery is inside of here. So what you will have to do, they have a tab here, tabs on the side, tab here, and a tab on this side. So what you want to do is take your time and pop these up. Well, pop that fairly easy for me. So sometimes you're gonna have a fight, and when I say a fight, meaning that you might have to like pull that up, pull that up, pull that up, try hold it, then pop the other sides up. But I like to just start with the bottom and just try that first, because sometimes that'll just allow it to open up completely. It uses a 2016, which is completely different from what we're used to putting in the keys. I do have a 2016. Give me a second. But yeah, you just stick this in here. There should be an open slot where you can just stick it in and pop it out. As you can see, stick it in, pop it out. 2016. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna grab another 2016 battery. As you can see here, this is a 2016. We're gonna go ahead and sorry, I'm just organizing some things. I got things everywhere as far as my batteries, so I'm just trying to make sure I rearrange my batteries. Okay, so we got our 2032. I'm gonna pop that back in. Put a brand new 2032 in there. You put this cover back on. You can just place it right here in the remote, face down where the buttons are. Check. My bad, y'all. Making sure I got it right. Put that on. Make sure it works. It works. We're gonna pop on the back, and there you have it. That's how you change the key fob battery on a 2022 Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma.